Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another tutorial of Dream Creator. I am Muhammad Uzair and I am going to show how to do light effect in photo using Adobe Photoshop. The technique that I use in this video is very easy or simple. So let's get started. First of all, open Photoshop, drag the image that you want to applying do light effect, click adjustment panel, gradient map, select gradient map, gradient color select, this is drag to right, this is black, drag to left, hit OK. Again, adjustment panel, gradient map, click gradient, white move to right, black move to left, white, change white color to red, hit OK. Select this mask, press Ctrl or Command I, select brush or paint, left side the or just paint highlights of left side. Okay, and applying do lights, add one PNG, rotate, hit OK. Change blending mode, normal to screen, Ctrl Command T, Ctrl Command T, OK. PNG is fit. Simple eraser tool, select eraser tool, erase over PNG area, OK. Finally, light effect is add on a photo, check result, press Alt and right click this, the photo applying before effect, and the photo applying after effect. Hope so enjoy this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more update about Photoshop learning. Thank you. Thank you.